represented by our Jatipita Mahatma Gandhi, his entire line only. So now the Rotary International has taken up this. For that, more universities exclusively for peace resolution. And the Rotary is awarding fellowship programs for this purpose. Rotary granting scholarships for this purpose. And Rotary also granting fellowship to establish the peace entire the globe. We are all aware in globe many activities are going on. So Rotary International is a prime organization which is doing this service, funding lot of amount, establishing universities and giving and providing selecting the persons exclusively for this peace resolution coming over the world. So you are all students. For you it is a big subject, so I don't want to go in detail. I am giving some just how the Rotary is working about the peace entire world. In addition to this, I will add to my friend's subject, that is cyber crimes. Recently, some people are hacked my Facebook. There are some people who are hacking the Facebook and they are creating some, they are using our phone numbers and they are through Facebook they are knowing our friends and their friends and they are asking they are demanding the money, they are requesting the money from friends and relatives. So now the technology is developed, the entire globe is to minimizing the paperwork and to go for digitalization. In the process of this technology and digitalization, the instrument knowledge is very much required. And at the same time, out of this benefit, some people are misusing this technology and the digital system and instrumentation. So my request on this occasion is to you, please be careful. Because you are all using, I think you are all using mobile phones. You are all using tabs and computers. So be aware what is going on in the society. Lot of cyber crimes are taking place. We are coming across in the newspapers, the police, law and order department are cautioning us, and the financial institutions also cautioning us to be careful about your disclosing the material facts like OTP or your account details. So whenever you come across about these things, be careful and don't disclose anything unless and until it is warranted and required and you are confirmed that it is a genuine transaction or genuine request, then only you have to go through. Otherwise, ignore it simply and don't enter into those activities. If you do that out of your anxiety or out of your this thing, technology uses, you will be lost. So my dear students, with this, I thank you, my president.
Thank you, Gopal Reddy garu. So these children, your is below set, okay? So get any guidance from people to your developing page. So never had any misguide with anything, you never hide. So please see that you be cautious in your life. So now our today's chief guest, Pastor V. Surendra Garu, he was our Nijambad Rotary Service Trust chairman also. He has done a lot to develop Nijambad Rotary Club. So I request him to put few words before you. Thank you.
I feel very privileged to be born on this day, on which day the Rotary International has been founded. Rotary International is doing a lot of immense service all over the world. I think most of you, all of you have taken the polio drops, but none of you, I think, you know where from it is coming. Everybody will think that government is supplying and government is injecting the medicine. Actually, the medicine is completely sponsored by the Rotary International all over the world. Because of that, today we have almost eradicated this polio disease, and very rarely we see now who has not taken the vaccination, they would have been affected. After taking the vaccination of polio, nobody is, I think there is no proof of somebody affected with the polio after taking the vaccination. That is the best service of the Rotary. And not only this, Rotary is providing many facilities to the people and the schools and the children. There is the government schools doesn't have the toilets. Rotary is giving toilet, constructing the toilets. They are giving the drinking water systems, and so many like this. Crores of rupees. If we give funds, some matchable fund from our club, they will give 10 times more than that for any development of work which is proposed by us. So by that, this is my birthday and the Rotary's birthday also. I am very fortunate for this. Cybercrime, which is not your age now. I think cybercrime you cannot understand also, because you will be using for your education the phones and computers. You will not come across these crimes. When you grow up, then when you are banking on your phone or on your computer data, then you will be coming across this. My advice is, if you also in your phone you get any links that by pressing this you can play games or you can enjoy. So please don't touch those links. They are very, that link will be touched now, whatever the documents or anything which is preserved in our phone or bank account, something linked to the phone, all that they can observe and they can operate on our behalf. So please, you can advise your parents, if they also get any links like that, please tell them not to touch them, not to go into that. So that will create any troubles. This is my advice from you. You can tell your parents also about this. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you, Ananda.
సింగర్ గారికి, అలాగే టుడే స్పీకర్స్ పాస్ట్ ప్రెసిడెంట్ గోపాల్ రెడ్డి గారికి, అలాగే పాస్ట్ ప్రెసిడెంట్ రాజ్ కుమార్ గారికి, అలాగే పాస్ట్ ప్రెసిడెంట్ అశోకన్న గారికి, అలాగే రమేష్ గారికి, మరియు ఇతర చప్పయ్య గౌడ్ గారికి, అలాగే హెచ్ఎం గారికి మరియు టీచింగ్ స్టాఫ్కు మా రోటరీ క్లబ్ ఆఫ్ నిజామాబాద్ తరఫున అందరికీ ధన్యవాదాలు చెప్తున్నాను. థ్యాంక్ యూ చిల్డ్రన్స్. థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్.
So please join us to celebrate Rotary Foundation Day along with birthday of Mr. Abdul.
Otherwise move back. Otherwise move back.
రాయలే అన్న
फिर रोटरी फॉर्मेशन डे में ब्लेसिंग उसमें ना मैम एबिलिटीज ఉన్నాయి
ఉంటా సరేనా ఇన్నే
సరిగ్గా 116 సంవత్సరాలు పూర్తి చేసుకొని 1905లో పుట్టినటువంటి ఈ రోటరీ క్లబ్ ఈరోజు రోటరీ క్లబ్ పుట్టినరోజుతో పాటు నా యొక్క పుట్టినరోజు కూడా జరుపుకోవడం నాకు చాలా సంతోషకరంగా ఉంది. ఈ రోటరీ క్లబ్ అనేది కమ్యూనిటీ సర్వీస్ చేయడానికే పుట్టినటువంటి క్లబ్ ఇది. మొత్తం ప్రపంచవ్యాప్తంగా ప్రపంచంలో ఎన్నో సేవలు చేస్తూ ముఖ్యంగా చిన్నపిల్లల ఆరోగ్యం కోసం పోలియో డ్రాప్స్ అయితే ఏదైతే ఇవ్వబడుతున్నాయో ప్రపంచవ్యాప్తంగా ఈ పోలియో డ్రాప్స్కి మొత్తం స్పాన్సర్ చేసేది రోటరీ క్లబ్బే. రోటరీ ఇంటర్నేషనల్ ద్వారా ఈ రోటరీ ఈ పోలియో వ్యాక్సిన్ని సప్లై చేస్తుంది. ఇది చాలామందికి తెలియకపోవచ్చు, ఇది ఒక గవర్నమెంట్ ప్రోగ్రామ్గా భావిస్తారు, కానీ గవర్నమెంట్ దీన్ని ఇంప్లిమెంట్ చేస్తుంది. మందు సరఫరా మాత్రం రోటరీ ఇంటర్నేషనల్ ద్వారా జరుగుతుంది. అదొక్కటే కాకుండా ఎక్కడ ఏ అవసరాలున్నా ఊర్లలో వాటర్ సప్లై స్కీమ్స్, స్కూళ్ళల్లో బెంచెస్ కానీ, స్కూళ్ళల్లో టాయిలెట్స్, స్కూల్ బిల్డింగ్ రూమ్స్కి కూడా డొనేషన్స్ ఇవ్వడం రోటరీ ద్వారా ఇవ్వడం జరుగుతుంది. ఈ మొత్తం ప్రపంచంలో కొన్ని లక్షలాది క్లబ్బులు మొత్తం ప్రపంచంలో కలిపితే మన ఇండియాలోనే 4-5 వేల వరకు ఈ రోటరీ క్లబ్బులు ఉన్నాయి. ఇవన్నీ కూడా ప్రజా సంక్షేమం కోసం, ప్రజా సేవార్థం నిర్మించుకొని ప్రజల కోసం పనిచేస్తున్న క్లబ్బులు. ఇందులో నేను ఒక మెంబర్గా ఉండడం నేను చాలా గర్వంగా భావిస్తున్నాను.
Today is the 116th Rotary Formation Day. So every year we celebrate this day, as this is the day which has created a platform for all of us to share thoughts and serve the society. So it's very fortunate for us to celebrate this birthday along with our past president, D. Surinder Garu, who has done a lot for Nizamabad Rotary Club. So I think he has got all these inspirations because he's blessed on this day. So great to share our views and have inspiration from him. So really we feel so blessed to be a member of this Rotary International, and it's a gesture and pleasure for us to serve the society in all ways. We randomly speak that whenever anybody needs any kind of assistance in their day-to-day life, we are here to stand beside them to do whatever is possible from our side. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Hi sir, ready, full ready. Under ready. Okay, మీరు మేము ఇచ్చాం ఓకే